Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can draw curved lines in your drawings on CorelDRAW. So let us get started and dive into this. So let me just remove these straight lines here and show you in that blank document how it's done. So navigate to the left toolbar and click into this arrow down icon here in the bottom right corner of that icon and choose this option here, right? And then you may set your start point with your left mouse. And then set the next point, and that's, for example, guys, how you can draw several of these curved lines and by left clicking and, for example, create shapes like this. Double click to convert it into nodes like that so that you can use that line. However, guys, let me just undo this and show you also option number 2. You may left click into that icon again, choose the pen tool, then set your start point with your left mouse. Set the endpoint also with your left mouse, but this time hold your left mouse and then, while holding your left mouse, move that handle here to adjust a curving or bending effect. Release your left mouse, press space on your keyboard to leave the curved line as it is, and now you can, for example, move it, for instance, customize its appearance, color, and so on and so forth, guys. So that's the two options how you can draw curved lines in CorelDRAW. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.